So with working with clients, I've come to realize that actually even keeping the receipts is challenging, and many are looking for tips. I'm Margot Massey, your Heartfelt CFO, and I want to share a few things with you on this topic to help you so that you can keep it in your wheelhouse of tools. The first thing is never rely on canceled checks. Never rely on the portals of the credit card companies, the bank statements, the bank accounts, those types of things. Because what happens is that if you, for some reason, switch banks, for some reason you switch credit cards, you lose that portal. You need to physically take it off that portal and put it on your end. Now, also when you take these things off, it's really important to put notes next to your transactions so that you have it. It's required for 6 years to keep these things. If you listen to one of my other videos where it talks about having where my favorite apps, where I tell you how to use Dropbox and those types of things, you'll see how these videos coincide and support each other. Now, what happens is that when you have these systems of your own, you're able to rely on the information. Now, I have a client of mine, she just hops payroll systems like there's no end. And when it comes to filing systems, it's hard because she used to rely on the actual payrolls portals to get the information. When I came on board, I had to physically go to each one and take the information off. When your relationship closes with the client, so does your information. And it takes time to actually get that off of the portals. And many don't spend time on that. If anything, people use that as their accounting system, which is not an accounting system. It's just components of it that will get you closer. Now, the other things with keeping receipts, especially if you use cash, is to put the notes. Now, I don't recommend using cash, however, many are still doing it. And when you have cash, keeping the notes on those cash receipts are super, super important. Now, why am I telling you to do all these things? Like, what's it coming down to at the end? What's it coming down to at the end is better books, better business, healthier decisions. And if you have an audit or any type of area that becomes in question, you have a healthy way to look at your business and have accountable information. I can't tell you how many people go through business 30 years, 40 years plus, and they don't have a healthy way to look. And then it comes to retirement, and then their books need to be redone 5 years, 10 years, no joke, because they want someone to buy the business and they're looking to retire off of it. And they haven't thought about these things in the onset of the years as the business journey was continuing. So now that you have these tips, you have these ingredients, I would love for you to share what steps you're going to take so that you can have this at your fingertips with whatever happens in your business journey. As always, any questions, let me know, and I look forward to talking to you soon.